viewers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Either it's Amazon or a normal website. If it's a normal website, I'll leave their link down below also. So if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. Just click on that and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And they'll ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We got the holiday weekend in the United States. Happy Memorial Day to everybody. So now we have here, I do believe this is coming from my good friends over at BenQ. They are some crazy tech people. You might want to check them out. They have a lot of cool gadgets. And here's a new item that just came out. Thank you guys for sending me this sample. We got good old, oh, there goes the globe. Oh no. Get back here. There we go. Stay. I know we're moving. Alright, there we go. Now this is something really cool. Like I said, brand new TreVolo. I think that's a J. Maybe this is their logo. TreVolo. Make your learning safe, detailed, and efficient. Bluetooth speaker, BenQ. This has Bluetooth 5.0, 4-pin 3.5 phone jack, TOF sensor, Omni mic, 360 mic, voice command, Class D, speakers, 10 watts by 2, 12-hour battery playtime, TreVolo app. Alright, so we're going to need a tablet or something. Make your learning safe and fun. I just can't believe how fast this year is flying by now. Whoa, there goes the globe. It is spinning out of control. But yeah, definitely check them out. They got a lot of good sales going on now with the holiday weekend sales. So definitely click on those links and pick the best sale. Either on Amazon or I do believe on their website. Now, how do I open this? Hold on. Alright, did some wrestling with it. Got it all out. You get a manual, quick start guide, Chinese, more stuff, probably warranty, I don't know. Alright, kind of looks like a carton. Whoa. There is USB audio jacks. Don't need that. Ooh. Oh, this thing is quite interesting. Nice color. Big old speaker. Kind of looks like an alarm clock. Back in those days. Bluetooth. Got something there. That's going to be interesting. Alright, let's see. I think I need the app. Let me get the manual. Quick start guide. Alright guys, once you go onto your iOS or Android, you're going to look for that one, TreVolo U, like it shows there. And we're going to set it up. Here's a little quick start. Just going to verify. And now I'm going to turn this on and get it verified. Alright, here's the buttons. Power. Little jingle. Bluetooth retry. Let's see, it might take a second. Oh, look at that. fast. This might be a long video. Please turn on Bluetooth. Oh, my Bluetooth. Okay, hold on. Alright, then once you go to the settings, make sure you go Bluetooth, and it's going to be that one. Pair it. There we go. Alright, hold on. So now that thing is a microphone. Distance detector. Okay, so we got sound mode, safe volume, adjust volume, Bluetooth, we already got that, safe home, done, how to update, we'll skip that for now. Alright, so notepad. Video learning.
Safe volume is on.
Volume is on.
Safe volume is down.
Volume is on. Ooh.
Safe volume is on.
Volume is off.
Safe volume is down.
Volume and up. Alright. We got that. Start testing. Here we go. Environmental test. And then start testing. Video learning. Hello, hello. I didn't hear it. Okay, I heard it. Here we go. So everything is good. Safe volume. True wireless. Also, you could have two of them going at the same time. And ringtone. Alright, we already did that. Alright guys, so we got that going. His name is TreVolo. So you could call it Hey TreVolo. Hey TreVolo. Hey TreVolo. Hey TreVolo. Alright, maybe not. Speaker sounds really nice. Voice command. Press for a second until the green light's on. Alright.
Voice command is turned on. Voice command is turned off.
Pause. Hey TreVolo. Turn the volume up. Turn the volume up.
Voice command is turned on.
Oh, there we go. There's a green light. Hey TreVolo. Turn the volume up. Hey TreVolo. Weather. Hey TreVolo. What's the weather? Alright. Hey TreVolo. Volume up. There we go. Aha. We got it. guess his name is Trado. Alright, so that's pretty cool. What else did I do? Alright, we got it all. So definitely check them out. New speaker. Got something back here. That's where the USB goes to charge. And the audio. Hey Trado, volume up. Oh yeah. Took me a minute. Like I said, this is a brand new. Just came out. Sounds really good. Alright guys, have a good night.